What does it say about America that the first person to die for its freedom was a black man who wasn't fully free, and whose role in that moment was later blamed, questioned, and pushed to the margins of history? This story argues that Crispus Attucks was not just the first to fall, but the first truth America struggled to face. And the hypothesis is this: Attucks wasn't erased because he was insignificant. He was erased because he was inconvenient. Crispus Attucks was never meant to be remembered. He wasn't wealthy. He didn't hold office. He didn't write pamphlets or draft declarations. He worked with his hands, loading cargo, sailing ships, doing the kind of labor that built colonial cities but rarely earned respect. Born around 1723, Attucks was of African and Native American ancestry, living in a world where freedom was fragile and conditional, especially for someone who looked like him. Evidence suggests he may have escaped slavery as a young man. That alone tells you something about his character. Escaping bondage required nerve, risk, and an acceptance that life would never be safe, but at least it might be his own. He became a sailor, a dockworker, a man of movement in a society that worked hard to confine people like him. By 1770, Boston was tense and angry. British soldiers roamed the streets, enforcing laws that favored empire over everyday people. For working men, especially sailors, those redcoats represented harassment, lost wages, and constant humiliation. Crispus Attucks lived that pressure daily. On the night of March 5th, Attucks was not looking for history. He was answering anger shared by many and held most sharply by those with the least power. When civilians clashed with British soldiers on King Street, Attucks was there, visible, present, unarmed. When the muskets fired, he was the first one hit. He died where he stood. His body was carried to Faneuil Hall, laid out for the public to see. Thousands followed his coffin through the streets. For a moment, just a moment, colonial America recognized that something irreversible had happened. Blood had been spilled. The line had been crossed. But recognition did not mean respect. During the trial that followed, Crispus Attucks was quietly turned into a problem. The soldiers' defense painted him as dangerous, aggressive, responsible for his own death. It was easier to blame a fallen black man than confront the reality of soldiers firing into a crowd of civilians. That framing lingered. Over time, Attucks became a name mentioned briefly, if at all. And yet, black Americans never forgot him. Decades later, abolitionists lifted his name high. They called him a martyr. They held commemorations in his honor. They pointed to Crispus Attucks and said, "We were here at the beginning. We paid the price before the promise was written." That's why Crispus Attucks still matters. Because his story forces America to wrestle with uncomfortable questions. Who is allowed to resist injustice? Who is assumed guilty when violence occurs? And why does sacrifice only count when it comes from the right kind of patriot? Crispus Attucks didn't die with a speech on his lips. He died because power met resistance and fired. Remembering him doesn't complicate American history, it completes it. The first blood spilled for American freedom belonged to a man America wasn't ready to claim. And maybe, in some ways, still isn't.